Fires are common in Australia and can cause extensive damage to the environment and properties, as well as loss of life. Heat waves and dry climate is to blame, which have led to uncontrollable fires impacting human and animal life. With more than 100 fires being reported this year, the number of fires could continue to increase if the government does not take action towards global warming. With current interest in the possibility of life on Mars, there is no current evidence to support this. However, current research suggests that Mars might have had liquid water which could have been inhabitable by microorganisms. Scientific inquiry and implementing new telescopic investigations and probes for further research in the search for life on Mars are still being undertaken. School examinations have been used as a traditional assessment tool for students and teachers for more than 100 years. Examinations are used to assist teachers to identify areas where further improvement is needed in their students, as well as highlighting student talents and strengths that can be nurtured. Examinations empower teachers to readjust their teaching strategies in order to promote equity in students' academic success. Increased personal freedom can feel both exciting and frightening. Students can come and go as they choose with no one to hassle them. The strange environment with new kinds of procedures and new people can create the sense of being on an emotional roller coaster. You meet so many more people in the halls than if you stayed at home. A crime is a committed act that results in harm, physical or otherwise, towards one or more people in a manner prohibited by law. The determination of which acts are to be considered criminal has varied historically and continues to do so among cultures and nations.